How to make Keto Caprese Salad. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 5-ounce spring mix, 16-ounce fresh tomatoes, 1 large avocado, 2 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 6-ounce fresh mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Wash the tomatoes and avocado. 2. Chop up the tomatoes and slice the avocados. 3. In a bowl, create the sauce by combining the olive oil and balsamic vinegar. 4. Plate the spring mix. 5. Add the chopped tomatoes and sliced avocados. 6. Top with fresh mozzarella cheese and drizzle with the olive oil and balsamic mixture. 7. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Then, serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of Keto Caprese Salad. Each serving comes out to be 626 calories, 50.2 grams fat, 13.6 grams net carbs, and 24.6 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.